Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I have a virtual test drive for you of a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Now this is a real 138 Marina blue car. Naturally, it's an older restoration, but it looks awesome. I believe it was frame off. If you look at it, the lines look great, the paint looks great, the stance is awesome. Really is a beautiful car, and the blue-black color combination works great. As I'm walking around here, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video. And then when we're done, head on over to volocars.com, where you get to see all the 100 or so extra pictures, the specs, undercarriage, and pricing for it. And then go on and give sales a call, because these cars are selling just about as fast as I'm able to do the videos. Let's hop on in. Door pops open nicely. The interior looks nice. The seats, I think they redid them to original specs and everything. Has nice little holders for your seat belt. There you go. Click it in. Oh, my shirt got caught. What's going on? We might have to work on the seat belts a little. Yep, so we'll go without a seat belt today. We'll fix that when we get into the shop. Put that there. So besides that, I'm seeing the stock dash. Everything's good. It has a clock down here. Not looking like it's working, but I'll go ahead and start it up. Looking in the back seat, everything looks really nice. There's some wear on the seat belts and everything. See if the stereo works. Yep, radio works. Like I said, yeah, everything looks really nice. So this is our first time anyone in the shop gets to drive it, so we're gonna take it easy at first, and I'll get on it in a little bit later in the video. These videos are a good time so we can figure out if it needs to go get alignment, any other work done to it. Sounds great. Shift's awesome. Real smooth. See, drive straight down the road. The whole write-up for this about what all is new, what they had done on it, that's all on the website. So anytime we're doing these videos, if you just want to go on there and see if it's new suspension, what kind of rear end, everything, Jay does a good job of writing everything up and giving you as much information as possible, so you can make an informed purchase there. All right, we'll take it on this road. It's a little bumpier, so we get to hear if it, some of the creaks, if it has any. Oh. And some bumps there, I didn't hear anything. This is a real solid 66. Steers easy. The brakes felt nice back there too. Sometimes cars come in and we have to adjust the brakes if they're a little hard, soft. Up nice. Alright, I'll get on a little bit going this way, get kind of comfortable with it, and then on the pass back I'll try to open it up a little bit more. clutch feels really good going through the gears. Doesn't get hung up down, pushes back nicely. Easy to control. And it's still a nice looker going down the road too. Flip it around here. Get a little bit ahead of us. Oh, this baby is fun. Like I said, even getting up there to 60 that quick, it's real easy to control and just slams through the gears nice. Well, I hope you had as much fun on this as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, then head on over to volocars.com for all the other details and the selling price for it. And yeah, we look forward to hearing from you. And as always, appreciate you.